one that had the birthday. The birthday girl.
SAS is reminiscing about her good friend Claudette.
Claudette.
And their birthday bash excitement here on the Ghana October 2012 tour. How's your journey been so far, SAS?
Transforming. Absolutely life transforming. This is my third time in Ghana, my second time with Bomani and the team of Africa for the Africans, and it's truly been like the first time again being at home and just being like totally remembered in the dungeons of Cape Coast. It just shook me up at the very core again, and it's emotional but bountiful at the same time.
So you're saying that's the most memorable part of your journey?
Well, memorable, yes. Emotional, yes, but not the most memorable. I've got so many memories, and that's how I'm balancing out some of the beauty with some of the not so beautiful but necessary and worthwhile, because I'm becoming a better person out of the experience for myself. And so I feel like I have more to share with my brethren and my sister in here and at home, and at home here too.
Yes, excellent. And while we talking about home, I got our brother Righteous on the phone. Righteous, how's it going?
Hey, peace, Righteous.
Yes, we're getting ready to roll out to the bank. And SAS is just here with us, sharing her journey of a lifetime. And family, we're live in Revolutionary Camp on the phone with our brother Righteous. Righteous has been one of our excellent tour assistants here from Ghana, guiding us through. So Righteous, come on through. We're about to leave in the next 10-15 minutes. Definitely. All right, SAS, as we just finished wrapping up with our brother Righteous, he's calling in live on our set, but it's all good. Share some words about our good brother Righteous.
Righteous is a good brother I met last year when I was touring with you in Africa for the Africans. He's the man on the ground that gets it done. Businessman, a righteous businessman who claims both Nigeria by birth and Ghana by rebirth. And then I had the pleasure of linking up with and getting some business things done. And he's an IT man too, technology man like you are, and he's been very helpful, and he serves well in every way. I'm proud of him.
Definitely. Now we're going to get some more energy from some of our other tour participants. So SAS, guide us in the right direction.
Yeah, well,
and let's see what's going on over here.
Yeah, well.
So we have some more exciting tour members. They're chatting, they're connecting, networking. A lot of networking going on. Then we see two more of our sisters over here. A lot of networking, loving it.
It's all the way live.
Yes, the social energy is real. Come join us. Come join us to Ghana. Come hang out with us in this beautiful neighborhood, East Legon here, in the capital city of Accra, Ghana. We have a wonderful time. We're here at the Micklin Hotel, experiencing a journey of a lifetime. How has your accommodations been in the Micklin Hotel?
Micklin Hotel is very, very comfortable, somewhat luxurious. The staff is very customer service friendly and natural people, beautiful people. I like the Micklin a lot. It's where it's located here in East Legon. It's accessible and safe. It's beautiful actually, and it's ours. It's ours.
Yes, family, hear that? Come and feel at home at the Micklin Hotel here in Ghana, West Africa, and begin your journey of a lifetime by contacting us, africafortheafricans.org. View our website and you get all of the details